Salam everyone, I hope that you all are doing great. So today we're making chocolate cake. I've listed all the ingredient details in the description box below. So we'll start off by taking 115 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Next we'll add in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. We'll take a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder. We'll also add in 1 whole and 1/4 cup of sugar. Mix all of these raw ingredients well together. Add in 2 eggs and whisk them well. When you're done, add in half cup of milk and a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Now mix everything well together so that it looks like a batter. Now we'll go in for 1/4 cup of ghee or oil. You can either whisk the batter or you can also use a hand beater. It all depends on your preference. Here I've added 1/4 teaspoon of coffee powder. This is optional. The batter is prepared. Now we'll shift it to a greased baking pan. Here I'm preparing the icing. I took a cup of whipped cream. You can use any cream that you like, either it's dairy cream, buttercream or whipped cream, it depends on you. If you're using the whipped cream, make sure that your cream is as whipped as mine. I added 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder in the whipped cream as well. Here our cake is completely baked. Remove the cake from the baking pan and split it into half. When the cake gets on room temperature, spread your icing between the 2 halves. You can also decorate the rest of the cake using cream, but I used some melted chocolate. Leaving it like this was a bit empty for me, so I used the whipped cream for decorating it more. For giving the cake some life and contrast, I used red cherries. You can go for any cake accessory that you like. I zoomed it in so that you could check out the softness. That's it for today. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn the black thumb blue. Recently, I was checking in on my YouTube analytics and I got to know that 39.6% people watching me haven't subscribed to my channel. So please do subscribe right now and I'll be super happy. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.